Well, that's the replay of the fourth heat of the under-19 men's pair with Latvia, Italy, Germany, and Austria, and it's been a fantastic start for the Italians. We saw such fantastic Italian fans in the grandstand. They'll be delighted to know that this combination of Novak Mitrovic and Pietro Blažević, 16 and 17 years old, lead the pack. They won the European under-19 championships in the under-19 men's 8, and they're leading the field in the early stages of this race. We can see on the big screen for a moment riding with the Latvian combination. So out of lane 1, it is Latvia. The Italians, though, up at the top of the field. Richie, under threat from Germany.
That's what we want to see coming through 1,000 meters. Just a canvas separating the two leading crews. Germany just taking the lead there on the surge ahead of Italy, the early leaders through 500. So it's Germany now pushing on. Leander Reinelt in the bow seat, Enzio Flörter in the stroke seat, pushing on and opening up. We just saw a canvas between them, 1 and 2, a little bit further back then to the Austrian crew. 4th in the Europeans, so a surprise to see them off the pace here, and maybe we'll see them come back into the mix when we come down into the run in towards the finish. The Latvian crew in the distance, you can see in the background there, a little bit off the pace in 4th place, but no doubt we have a very exciting finish heading our way between the German and the Italian crews. The Italians leading it off the start, high rate as we expect from the Italians. The German crew staying with them under increased pressure, and now they're rowing side by side here, contrasting styles again with the rates. Both the Italian crew still up at that higher 36, 37 strokes per minute. The German crew slightly lower, but you can see from the drone footage there, they're starting to extend the lead and wind out here, just still overlapping, so they haven't pulled away from the Italian crew, and we get down to the last 500, they might come back into the mix here, but Germany leading it out.
Paskutinis atrankos plaukimas vaikinų pavienėje dvivietėje ir turime Latvijos komandą, kuri yra pirmame atake. Latvijai kol kas atsilieka 16 ir 33 šimtosios, kalbant apie pusę distancijos, atsilikimas tikrai didelis, o didžiausia kova vyksta tarp Vokietijos ir Italijos. Vokietija kol kas pirmoje pozicijoje pusėjus distancijai, tai yra komanda, kurią sudaro Lenderis Reineltas ir Enzio Flörteris. Abiem yra po 17 metų, bet nereikia nurašyti ir Italijos komandos. Būtent ši ekipa, 2 šios komandos nariai sugebėjo labai sėkmingai pasirodyti Europos čempionate. Iki 19 metų 8-vietėje jie tapo Europos čempionais, tai yra Novakas Mitrovičius ir Pietro Blažević. Būtent toje komandoje jie buvo ir dabar matome, kad atsilieka nuo Vokietijos ekipos beveik 2,5 sekundės. Austrija atsilieka dar daugiau, tad panašu, kad persvara yra didelė ir Vokietija artėja pergalės link šioje atrankoje. Italija panašu, kad gali būti antroje pozicijoje.
That German crew just gliding through the water there. You can see the footage, absolutely ideal rowing conditions here. They've pushed on again and extended the lead, going from half a second through 1,000. They've now got clear water, and it's more than a little bit of 1 length of clear water they have back to the Italians. Let's see the sprint finish yet again. The Latvian crew Austrian crew in 3rd place. It's looking a little bit laboured, but they are staying in touch with 2:50 to go. It's all about the timing of perfection that this German crew have done.
Yeah, absolutely perfect timing. That's Leander Reinelt and Enzio Flörter, both 17 years old and making their international debut. Germany, just big effort has earned them this lead.
Vokietijos komanda irkluojanti trečių vandeniu duoda 16-15 metrų pranašumą italams, kurie yra antroje vietoje šiuo metu. Tiems, kas mėgsta skaičius, dabar greitis yra 4,83 metrai per sekundę, kas yra apie 17 km per valandą.
Good push from the Italians at the end, of course, cheered on by their supporters in the grandstand, but Germany just not having it. They increase the effort through the water, a little bit of an uptick in the stroke rate, and Germany says, choosy, they'll be first to cross through the line, followed by Italy, so those top 2 again in each heat to advance directly on. So a job well done, and then over to Austria, just coming through in those closing stages, and Latvia. So we see the winner of the under-19 men's pair, that's of heat number 4, it is Germany.